clear. Yeah. It's 10 feet down, completely visible. What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to this episode of TLA. Last few years, the rock fishing season has been all over the place. Regulations have gotten real, in my opinion, kind of ridiculous, with they're opening one region and they're opening another region later, and then they have all types of different rules and regulations and things for each area, each depth restrictions, and it was getting a little ridiculous. That's bureaucracy in California to its worst that we can imagine, right? But this year, I think they finally got their heads together and they're open everything. So we're excited that got it together, and now we're able to go fishing again back in the state. So today we're gonna go for some rockfish. We're gonna try for that halibut again. I don't see much bait right now, but that can change anytime. Anyways, today's super nice, super relaxing. Everything is calm. For the most part, I think it's supposed to lay down for the better part of today. So I'm just gonna go fishing. We're gonna have some fun. Enjoy the video. All right, time to get this started. Ran a slider. I'm gonna throw my favorite bait down, sex herring. You guys all know about that. If you guys have followed my channel, beautiful, beautiful sex herring that I caught earlier this year. That there, put that down, and we're gonna drop at the bottom. Hopefully, we'll do a few cranks off the bottom. Hopefully, we'll find something, find a nice filthy ling or something, a nice big halibut. I'm not following too much on the tide today. I'm just enjoying the day. Oh, it's down at 80 feet. I might have to need a bigger weight here. All right, fishing. Right. But this one seems pretty big. Off it goes. This one let go. Oh, this one's a smart one. That's why he lived so long. Yeah, he took the whole thing. Took the whole thing. Right, this is not good. The fish are biting like crazy this morning. Some bait situation might get pretty slim. I gotta move away from this bait. They're biting so crazy, I gotta get away, or else I'm gonna run out of bait. I don't really see any bait on the surface, so I can't make any bait. Oh my goodness, we're dealing with a million baby lings down here, folks. So the baby ling has got a juvenile on there. Daycare. A million of these. I'm hoping this is a halibut, but it feels like another ling. Yeah, feels like another ling. Where do you go to get away from them? See, they're everywhere. One after the other. I need to figure out a plan before I run out of bait. Look at that. Probably 22 legal, but there you go. All right, quick update. Dang, been ling bite after ling bite after ling bite. Baby lings, big lings, small lings, every ling, 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 ling. So the question is, where are the butts? Where are the butts? We know the lings are biting, but where are the halibut? Where is my spirit fish? Where are they? 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 You guys know? Let me know. Man, I think the lings are on fire today. This one might be a bigger one. Yeah. This one seems like it's a bigger one. The fish are biting this morning. Big nasty ling. What do you guys think? They're really active this morning. barely got in the water. It's like 9 o'clock and they're like bam, 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 bam. Oh yeah, it's a nice one, guys. That's a really nice one. Haven't had a nice ling like this in a while. Nice ugly ling. Ugly. Ugly. But you'll be tasty though. Ooh, barely hanging on. What you think? What you think? What you think? Right through your lips, son. You ain't going nowhere. You ain't going. This one's coyote ugly. This one's real tight. Wow. First ling of the year, guys. Look at that. What do you guys think? It's a nice one right here. Huh. Exactly the eater size you kind of want, you know? Those bigger ones, not so much. These right here, very nice. This actually might be a decent ling. Kind of ripped off some line earlier. Oh no. Okay, come on, man. Oh. This one is pretty decent, but I don't know if it's a keeper or not. What do you guys think? Today is like Indonesia. Look how many these guys are. That's a good like 25, 24. Like there's like a million of them out there. So many of them. Indonesia today in Monterey. There's one deep throat in it. Yeah, that's a 20. 24, perfect. That's eating size right there. Uh-oh. Now we have a problem, my friend. Been non-stop action this morning. One after the other. Hopefully he's a big worm. I would like a worm. I would like a worm. Please, that'd be a worm. Oh, come on, bro. Another one. See? What's wrong with you? How many of you guys are out there, huh? A ton of them. They're like littered down there. Like one after the other. Like see them, it's like bam. Legal one though, but. Alright guys, so that's my ling limit right here. I have 2 filthy lings. One's probably 27, 28, probably one 25. So, really nice, good quality. Yeah, but now I have to look for a halibut and try to get a halibut, right? Alright, hopefully we'll find something. Now, quick update. I gotta stay away from these guys, man. There are just way too many of them. Way too many lings. I'm gonna go on the inside, so hopefully I'll troll the beaches. Hopefully I'll stay away from them. Find me a halibut in there somewhere. So that's my goal. If I keep staying here, I'm gonna run out of bait. And that's the only thing I have left right now is bait. So I need to move on the inside. Hopefully find something on that way over there. Closer in. Lings are everywhere, man. I gotta go. Everything's put away. Airplanes. Every time I'm filming. water is. Guys, we're back on the beach. I'm gonna call it a day. It was really nice overall. The weather was super nice, so I'm not even gonna complain about that. So everything else was really nice. Quick report, I mean, the bait weren't really there, so halibut are really dependent on bait, and if you have big bait, then you're gonna be there. But for the most part, the halibut didn't really show up because I think early in the season, when they did come in, there was some anchovies and there were some mackerel and there were some sardines that moved in, and then they moved in with them, and then they moved out, and then the halibut maybe moved out as well. So it's not as hot as it was early in the season, but it is what it is. All these places change over time anyway, so some places turn hot, some places turn cold. So if you're into that, then definitely maybe want to get down here and go fish for them right here. Use that sex herring that you caught over the winter. Hopefully you guys did, but that's what it is. All right, so hopefully that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys next time on another episode.